Good morning, student. As we have finished chapter 1, and today in this session we are starting a new chapter 5, Arithmetic Progression, that is AP. In this chapter we will do the content like introduction, what is arithmetic progression, nth term of an AP, sum of first n terms of an AP, and we will do the revision of the chapter also. Now we will start with the introduction portion. So read and listen me carefully what we are starting with the topic. First of all, we are starting with the introduction portion, and in this portion we are starting with the sequence. What is sequence? When some number occur in a definite order according to some definite rule, the numbers are said to form a sequence. For example, as your roll numbers in class 1, 2, 3, 4, there is a definite order or some definite rule is there. We provide your roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, and each number of the sequence is called its term. As we are taking example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a sequence because each next number is obtained by adding a fixed number, means here we add 1 to its the previous number or previous term. See here. And in second example I have taken 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 is sequence. In third example I have taken decreasing order sequence, means 14, 11, 8, 5, 2 is a sequence because we are subtracting. What we are subtracting? We are subtracting here 3 from each term. So take it very carefully what is a sequence here. Now arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? Called AP. A sequence is called an AP if its term continuously increase or decrease by the same number. The fixed number by which the consecutive term of a sequence increase or decrease is called the common difference. As I am taken example 2, 4, 6, 8 here. As there is a first number 2, second number is 4. If we subtract 2 from 4, we are getting 2. Again, if we subtract 4 from 6, we are again getting 2. Again we subtract 6 from 8, we are getting 2. Means there is a fixed difference if we subtract previous term from the next term, predecessor from the successor, and the fixed difference is called the common difference, which is denoted by D. Or in other words, a sequence is called an AP if the difference of any term from its preceding term is constant. Now we move to the next page, page number 3, about common difference. Common difference is called D here. What is common difference? Common difference is D here, and there are so many examples I have given. And in all the term, means successor minus predecessor, if we see this is same in all the cases. And now what is about the general term? Here, if a sequence is an AP, then first term is called as A. Second, because in first term we are adding the difference, A plus D. Third we denote as A plus 2D and A plus 3D. As shortly I have written here, first term A, second term A2 means A plus D, third term A plus 2D. So can we take, and nth term I have written here. But we take this in the next session, and today again I am discussing something more about this. See here. Now again how can we find common difference? How can we find common difference? Take an example. What I have done, I have done 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. This is an example, and we can take it as a1, a2, a3, a4, a5. If we take it as a2 minus a1, it becomes d. A3 minus a2, it becomes d. And a4 minus a3, it becomes d. Means here common difference is same in all the cases. So given sequence, if common difference is same, the given sequence is an AP, otherwise it is not an AP. It is clear कि if the difference between two terms means successor minus predecessor is same in all the cases in the given series or given sequence, then it is an AP, otherwise it is not an AP. I have given with the general term also. Now move to the next page. I have done exercise 5.1 for you. See the exercise 5.1, and the 5.1 is questions you can see from the book. First question is not important from the examination point of view, so I have done the two parts. You can read it from there. The question first was कि the taxi fare was given as rupees for first kilometer 15, for the next rupees 8 was added. So this is an AP because fixed amount is added to the fixed amount, but these cannot be asked in examination as question number 1 and 2. 3, 4 you can do from the book. Start with the question number 2. These are your CBSE questions of 1 marks you can get here. He write first 4 term of the AP, where first term A common difference is D given. So see the question very carefully. कि here first term named as A, common difference D is given. So first of all we have to find the first term, that is A. How we proceed in the next step? We write the second term as A plus D. A plus D means कि we add common difference one time. So 10 plus 10, 20. And in the third term A plus 2D. In the fourth term it is A plus 3D, and so on. Number means कि name of term is increasing, but here in third term we are adding 2D, fourth term we are adding 3D. Suppose we take 50th term, so we will add 49D. Means एक पीछे आपको ऐड करना है. फर्स्ट टर्म इज ए अलोन, नथिंग टू बी एडिड. सेकेंड टर्म वी ऐड 1 टाइम डी. इन थर्ड टर्म वी ऐड 2 टाइम्स डी. इन फोर्थ टर्म वी ऐड 3 टाइम डी. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन प्रोसेस. ओके, सो डोंट बी कंफ्यूज. These are the question I have done for you. So see these question very carefully. In page number 6 all the question are of the same time. And now question number 3. See here, question number 3 is again, what is the question 3? कि for the following write first term A1 or A and the common difference. What is here? Here a sequence is given as 3, 1, -1, -3. Okay, what is given here? Here it is given that 3, 1, -1, -3, A1, A2, A3. First term is A, second term D, A2 minus A1. So take it carefully. What is D? Sometime it becomes with the negative sign also. Greater number is negative, so your answer will also become negative. And in the next question also -5, -1, 3, 7. Again first term A1 -5, and what is the difference? A2 minus A1, it becomes 4. And in fraction question you will take the LCM. In decimal question subtract it carefully. Okay, so do these question very carefully, don't be disturbed. And now the next, if you see, there are, this is the last page I think so. So we will do up to this question. So complete this work in your notebook carefully, and next question we will take in the next session.